You're sure your dream car is this that car? Hilux, Toyota Hilux?
I want this car because this car is a very important to me. Someday I will buy it.
Inshallah.
Yes. Because this for the blood purposes.
Business.
For the blood purposes, I will buy it someday. Assalamualaikum Sadiq.
So how much now? How much the price? The original price?
You want it? You want it?
Yeah, of course. But I want 4x4.